Ever been stressed all day because you can't get over something that happened in the morning or maybe last week? This tendency of humans to obsess over little things is fairly common. Today, we look into some of the reasons as to why we obsess. Obsession in simple terms means an idea or a thought continually that preoccupies our state of mind. We all have replayed various scenarios in our minds and wish that we had better come back at that moment. Since we don't have the power to recreate the situation or create a similar situation, we feel all the more stressed and powerless. When these thoughts turn more negative, it is known as rumination. What exactly is rumination? Rumination takes a situation that has caused us stress and magnifies the stress and the importance of the situation in our minds. Rumination is comprised of two separate variables, reflection and brooding. The reflection part of rumination can be actually somewhat helpful, as reflecting on a problem can lead you to a solution. Also, reflecting on certain events can help you process strong emotions associated with the issue. However, rumination in general and brooding in particular are associated with less proactive behavior and more of a negative mood. So why do we obsess over things? Whenever you start to obsess over something, you automatically start to ruminate as well. It is our mind's attempt to make sense and move on from a frustrating situation. However, it could also send you into a loop of frustration and stress. Here are some reasons explaining this behavior. Negative frame of mind. If you have a negative frame of mind, then you're more likely to obsess over little stuff. Sometimes people who obsess more also develop a negative outlook towards life. Therefore, it works both ways. Obsession could lead to a negative mindset, and a negative mindset could lead to obsession. Self-sabotage. Some people have self-sabotaging tendencies. Therefore, they tend to take note of the smallest of details of everything and obsess over the smallest of things. Emotional distress. Emotional distress can make us focus on someone's action more than normal. We tend to magnify our problems whenever we feel emotionally overwhelmed. Therefore, we tend to obsess on stuff which otherwise might not have been that important. Conflict. We get into a lot of conflict every now and then, maybe with our family or our boss or friends. Disagreements can be found everywhere. When we are in disagreement with someone, we take note of the smallest actions they make and attach our own meaning to it, since we believe that everything is directed towards us because of the conflict. That's why we tend to obsess more when we are in disagreement with someone. How to get over our obsession? Create diversion. If you feel you're obsessing over something, then try to take your mind off of it, especially when you know you can't do anything about it. Exercise, go for a walk, watch a movie, basically do anything which comforts you and makes you focus on it instead of your obsession. Confront the source. If you're obsessing about a person or their actions, try to talk to them and know the reasons behind their actions. It will help you get some closure and move on with your life without obsessing over them. Give yourself time. Sometimes some situations are so impactful that even in the sanest of minds, we obsess about it. It's okay to feel that way. Know that it isn't the end of the world, and with time you will get over it. Time indeed is the best healer. However, it does require patience. Keep an open mind. We as humans are bound to have judgments, but sometimes we are too quick to arrive at those judgments, which does not give us enough time to understand someone's behavior and the little tweaks of their personality. Keep an open mind before forming any judgment and obsessing over them or their actions. To conclude all of this, we can say that we all obsess over little things sometime or the other, and it's all right till the time we get over that obsession in a healthy way. If you feel like your obsession is taking over the other aspects of your life, then you should definitely consult a doctor. If you enjoyed this video, do like, comment and subscribe to Explified. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye!